Armed American military police in their famous white helmets worked with our own to ensure that the vital secrets brewing within the dock gates should not be probed by any unauthorized person. It's natural that the growing momentum of public opinion regarding the actual time of the expected invasion of Europe should have had its repercussions. At Southampton, everything was now prepared and ready for the fray. The air of suspense grew quite unbearable, and still the order didn't come. Everywhere lay the enormous sea of supplies, the countless craft of incredible variety, waiting and waiting. The Invicta, a super ship completed after the outbreak of war, had never fulfilled her intended peacetime purpose. Here she is, being overhauled and preparing for her D-Day task of transporting troops and their landing barges to the French coast. The Invicta carried 6 of these landing craft slung alongside on davits of special construction, designed to avoid damage during their launching in possible rough weather. A sidelight on dockside activities during the immediate pre-D-Day period is provided by the Providore Department, which undertook the revictualling of vessels with food and necessaries direct from the Providore boat. With such a host of craft standing by, waiting for orders, the Providore became one of the busiest and most popular departments working right through the invasion period. The noble work of the Red Cross was greatly aided by 2 more southern ships, the Isle of Jersey and the Dinar. Many an unfortunate casualty at this time can testify with gratitude to the smooth passage he received in these vessels while on their errands of mercy. A whole sisterhood of other ships, wistfully remembered in connection with so many pleasant continental trips in former years, had rendered yeoman service since the day they donned battle dress. The Isle of Guernsey, Biarritz, the Maid of Orleans, and the Canterbury are shown here waiting in the wings for their invasion cue. All of these ships, with the exceptions of the Dinar and the Maid of Orleans, survived their subsequent D-Day adventure without serious harm. And all unexpectedly it happened. Instead of a routine combined operations exercise, the invasion was on. Democracy was to cross swords with the Nazi for the last time.